Alrighty, Crown, here's your LS engine. Just got done running it. This is 427 cubic inches. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our heads on it. It's got the RHS Aluminum Block. It's a nice piece. Built Specialties front end. It's beautiful. It's got the Holley ram on it. Cover's beautiful. We all had that all powder coated for you. So if there's a particular color combination you want, obviously we're here to do that for you. It's got Jesel, so I had to have valve spacer. It's a custom grind camshaft. Fuel management. Holley Terminator X drive-by-wire. Show you how it ran. Already 3,600, 454 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 507, 510, 12, 512. And horsepower is 563. So we're rated at 575, front end is about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there, get in the crate, come away, have a great day.